The time I noticed, Doge was at 0.3 if I'm not wrong. And when you say 0.3, which is 30 bob, because $0.3, that's like 30 bob. So when you multiply 730 Doge to 30 bob, guys, that is $200 plus, okay? So instantly, guys, I am looking at my wallet and I have 20k. And I was just like, what? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olive Kirate and this is Olive Kirate rebranded. So guys, in the last video I told you guys part 2 is coming in hot and heavy. Also, if you're liking this story, please guys smash the like button. It helps our videos get pushed by the algorithm and we want to grow to 10k guys. Also, we are so close to 10,000 subscribers. So guys, please smash the like button and also subscribe if you haven't, and let's get into the video. In the last video I told you how at that particular point one of us reminds us that, yo guys, check if you guys have any Doge in your wallet. A girl checks and she has 730 Doge. At that time, let me tell you, 730 Doge is like 150 bob of the money that I had spent to invest. But at the time, guys, as I'm looking, it was April 20 something. I'm going to remove receipts from my IG because I was reposting everything on my Instagram. And that's why if you're not following me on Instagram, you are missing out on the scoop. Like, because that's where I show people the first, you know, feelings I get when things happen in my life. So if you don't follow me on IG, guys, please do at Olive_Kirate, because the tea starts from there. So anyway, I'm looking at my account and I'm seeing the Doge at the moment was 30 bob, $0.3. I could easily sell this Doge and make over $200. But let me tell you guys, I don't know how God works. God works in mysterious ways, because I was planning to even do a video for you guys to show you how I've made over $200 from Doge. But I was so busy. So the fact that I was so busy made me not sell the Doge. So I keep telling myself, oh my gosh, I need to shoot this video so that I sell. My other friends sold. They were like, yo, I'm swimming in profits, out you go. But for me, because I was so busy and wrapped up with so much work, I kept holding on the coins. So every day passes, guys. 5 days later, Doge is at $0.4. I'm like, huh? Okay. And then a few days later, Doge is at $0.5. So at this point, 0.4 is already 30k. So I'm asking myself, do I sell? Do I sell? Then I'm like, I'll sell. Don't worry, I'll sell. Then again, I stay for another week. It reaches $0.5. My money is now 36,500 shillings. I'm like, I am going to sell now. I am going to sell. Guys, do I sell? No, I don't sell. So now, because I'm very aware that there's money in my account that is growing, I started reading about Doge, and that's when I realized that Elon Musk was to be hosted on Saturday Night Live, May 8th, and that's when Elon Musk was to be hosted on SNL. And what happens is, obviously, you know, Elon has been tweeting he's the Doge father, and all this, you know, I don't know how to call them, but insinuations that he's going to talk about Doge, and that creates a lot of speculative characters and FOMOing into people that pushes the price up. But then again, guys, I go to Reddit and I go to my and Twitter. I'm seeing people are saying no, the price is going to dip before 8th. You guys, you need to sell. Cryptocurrency traders are about to dump. So when they say they're about to dump, it means they bought, but now they're about to just sell everything, and that will cause the price to go down. Guys, I started panicking. So now I remember on Friday I was at the farm and my crypto was at 0.65 and I had 730. So that was $474. I am holding to my chair. I remember that day at the farm. Actually, it wasn't Friday, it was Wednesday. So in case you're not aware, I'm an entrepreneur. I own a company with my partners known as Yummy Rabbits Kenya. If you'd like to support my business, you can visit us on Instagram or Facebook at Yummy Rabbits Kenya, or you can actually just message us or WhatsApp us or call us at 0745 938 976, and you can make an order and we can deliver to you some Yummy Rabbit straight to your door. On Wednesday, we are at the farm. It's 0.65. I am looking at my money at $475. I am panicking because on Wednesday people had started simulating that by Friday the Doge will be dumped. So in my mind I'm like, you know, I invested 300 bob, I have made 47,000. Why am I even still holding this coin? Someone tell me. And that's when I remember Warren Buffett says one of the worst emotions to have while investing is greed, because you will hold it too long and, you know, overthink things and start believing it's going to the moon, but you've made profits. If you've made profits, just sell. Like, the difference between 30k and 40k is not that serious if you have a chance of losing everything. So anyway, on Wednesday I remember it reached 0.67 around there, and I was like, guys, I'm tapping out. I ain't doing this no more. I just can't. So on Wednesday evening, after I came from the farm, I timed the market, and around in the evening I sold my Doge. Doge price went up, so I sold mine right before the all-time high, and the all-time high is 0.73, 0.71. And I have a friend who decided to sell a bit of the Doge and kept the other half. And when it reached its all-time high, they had so much faith that the coin would get to $1. You know, Doge to the moon, Doge is getting to $1. And unfortunately, the price started to retrace. So once it hit the all-time high of 0.73, it started to go down. It went down to 0.6, it went down to 0.5, and my friend ended up selling her Doge at 0.4. So another thing, and I want to tell you guys, is when your coin reaches an all-time high, or when you see this coin is going up, let me repeat this for the new entrance of crypto. You don't buy when the price is shooting up. You can sometimes have a good entry point whereby maybe, like, if you were following me and you saw me post about Doge and you entered like at 0.2, you are lucky because your entry point was a bit lower. But if it's already like at 0.5, like, that's already a risky entry point, okay? And then once it reached its 0.73 all-time high, and then it started to retrace, what happens to the human emotion is you keep telling yourself, it's going to go back up, but it doesn't. You wake up the next day, it's gone down a bit. Now it's at like 0.5 from 0.6. Then you're like, no, it's going to do well. I know it. Then it goes down to 0.4, and you're still holding up to this false hope, and you could have easily sold and made your profit. Don't allow greed to cloud your thoughts. Don't allow greed to make you hold and hold and hold. There's a chance that, yes, the coin could go back up, but you don't know in how long. It could take a year, it could take 2 years, it could take 3 years, like, who knows? And maybe you could have actually cashed out and then buy back in when the price was low. So if you realize you're not trying to profit take, then create a strategy around hodling. Hodling is holding your crypto for a very long time. It's more of a long-term strategy where you want to ignore the market fluctuations, the up and downs, the corrections, the volatility, and you want to cash out 5 years, 7 years, 10 years or more. So consider this a strategy as well and see which angle are you looking to invest your crypto. That is how my 300 bob investment was potentially worth over 50,000 Kenya shillings, and how I mistakenly invested in this coin. And I hope this video shows you that you can actually make money with cryptocurrency. But then now the thing is, you can make money from other coins. If you'd like to book a session with me, in the making of this video, my cryptocurrency sessions are $20 per hour, and I can give you the strategies I'm using in investing the coin. So essentially, when I made this money, I didn't withdraw it to fiat. I just swapped it to other coins that I have faith in, that I know in another 6 months, in another 7 months, that money will also have grown the same way. So that is essentially the story about how I mistakenly invested in Doge and made a very good chunk of cash on it. Me, Olive, what are the tips and what are the, like, what should I do? This is something I tell everyone who also reaches out to my IG. Be interested in cryptocurrency. Once you're interested, it is easier to go to CoinMarketCap and learn the website. Go to Reddit and join communities of different coins. It drives your knowledge to a whole new level, so you have to be interested. Two, you could start with my cryptocurrency playlist. If you have no idea whatsoever, just watch my videos. Right now I have like 15 plus videos. Create a weekend and just learn about it. It's not that ambiguous if you put yourself in the situation of learning. And then three, learn that with crypto, as much as we're saying you can make money, you can also lose money. So I've also created a mindset in my mind frame that as much as I've made this money, it's as easy to lose that kind of money. So it's very volatile. Always just put that in mind. You could probably be investing and just taking out your money. Like I made 40k and you're like, you know what, let me take that 40k and do something with it in my life or invest in something else. It's a really good place for you to make very good returns at a shorter period because of how easily it's traded and how fast it's traded. You might be wondering, what are the pros and the cons of investing in such coins? I have a video about it and it can really give you an idea and a very broad spectrum as to how this market is very volatile. Otherwise, I personally, honestly, 100% believe that the blockchain technology and cryptocurrency is the future, hands down. Just the same way the internet was in the 90s is the same way the blockchain technology is right now. And eventually, humans learn to adapt. You learn how to accommodate the technology that is brought. It might take long, but eventually we adapt. So even crypto, even blockchain, we are going to adapt. Not now, not tomorrow, but soon. Also putting it into mind that as much as crypto has its good times, it also has its bad times. If you can remember back in 2018 or 17, if I'm not wrong, Bitcoin reached its all-time high of $20,000 and it still dipped to $3,500 the following year. Until now, it's gone back up to $57,000-$60,000. So I also believe all these other coins have such trends. It's a rule in business that everything that goes up must go down. So the same way with crypto, you need to know the right time to buy in and you need to know the right time to sell. And that's why for me right now for Doge, I can't just buy. Like, why would I buy in? Right now we are in an all-time high. It just tells you sell, sell. Then once the price starts to retrace of that coin, it starts to go down. Now you start saving your money to buy the dip. So for me, if I'm to buy Doge again, I'm going to wait for this hype to go down. If it goes down in 3 months, a year, I have to wait so that when the prices have stabilized and they're a bit low, I can buy in more and then maybe wait again for the time it goes up, which is also known as a bull run. And when it goes down, that's a bear market. So that is a tip I have for most of the coins. So if you're looking to invest and make money, which to me, I would advise you to go with the altcoins. There are so many altcoins right now you can invest in. Most of them are at a very good price range, $1, $1.50. And before you invest, do your research on the founders and the use case of what that coin has. If you feel the coin has potential, put some money there. Let's wait for 7 months and 8 months and see how it performs. So that is honestly my advice for you if you're trying to make money with crypto. It's not that difficult. You just need to be interested. You need to learn it and you're really going to enjoy. Everything that I've mentioned in this video, you can find it in my description box or you can find it on the card somewhere up here. So please click on that card and then you can find the videos as well. If you'd like to store your crypto in a very safe cold wallet, I have partnered with Decent Wallet. Guys, this wallet is amazing. I'm currently like obsessed and I even want to do a whole series on my channel because some of you have actually bought this wallet and told me that you want my assistance in maybe updating the firmware, in doing a device swipe and all those techie things. With crypto, you can easily be hacked. I have lost money before and my friends have also lost money before. You could be hacked on your laptop, you could be hacked on your phone. Most of the time if it's your laptop, it can probably be a malware or it could be you found a link somewhere and then you download it. Kumbe, they've taken over your laptop or it's a ransomware. and then they just get access to your wallets, which is probably whatever wallet you have online. Maybe you keep your money in Binance, or maybe you keep your money in local cryptos. Then they log in and they just wipe out your account. And then also, don't leave your money in a crypto exchange platform. No matter the security, I still urge people to buy your money in local cryptos and get a wallet and keep your money there. You could get the Decent app. They actually have an app, guys, the Decent software app wallet. If you don't have so much money, you can keep it there for your sanity. Maybe you want to convert it to cash here and there, keep it on the app wallet. But if you're going to trade good amount of money, guys, a good amount of dollars or Kenya shillings or whatever currency you're in, please invest in a cold wallet. This wallet is roughly $100, and maybe shipping to Kenya, because I'm in Kenya, it's probably $50, so $150. You'll be safe for life because your private keys will not be online. You will not be able to be hacked in any way. It's almost impossible to, it's actually impossible to be hacked. Maybe the worst that can happen is if you forget your private keys, and then now that's a different story. So please, guys, if you're intending, and I'm not saying this just because so that you can support my affiliate link, no, I'm just saying this so that people don't lose their money. I've lost my money before and it wasn't really nice. And actually, there's a YouTuber I watch, how he got robbed $30,000, and I probably will find that video and link it down below so that you see how you can be hacked, guys. $30,000 my wallet near 150. What? Please. But anyway, guys, that is it for today's video, man. Thank you so much for supporting ONR. Please, guys, tell me down below if you enjoy my videos. Are you learning anything? Am I educating you in any way? Let me know down below. I need to know if I'm talking to people, please. I need to know. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for standing with ONR. Look forward to more videos about crypto. I have too many videos I want to do for crypto, and I want to educate you guys as much as I can, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. If you haven't watched part 1, probably watch part 1 as well. Watch all the videos on this channel about crypto, get informed, and yeah, don't forget to start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. I love you, and bye. See you on the next one.